All right, so we're in Dallas, Texas at the Saint Elm Renaissance Hotel. This is just going to be a basic king room, and I got to say, I'm super impressed. First walking in, we've kind of got this hallway, and there's some pretty cool art on here that's got some of the Deep Ellum stuff, because I don't think we're super far from Deep Ellum. Then another one that looks like a vinyl record that says, "Music by the band you were going to start in high school." So that hits home. That's pretty cool. Full-length mirror here. We're going to turn the corner to go into the main room. There's the bathroom. We'll check that out here in just a second. But they were telling us downstairs that every single room comes with a record player. So we have a record player in here, and they actually have a library of records that you can check out. There were some records that were already in the room, but we did go ahead and get Spoon and Bon Iver. So super excited to play some of that. There is a TV up here in the corner of the wall. And then over here, we've got a king bed. We've got a nightstand on either side. It looks like there are two drawers, but there's actually only one. It's going to be this bottom one. This one does not open. We've got some just standard power outlets with a couple of USBs on either side. It's going to be the same thing on that side over there. There is a telephone over there for those who prefer to use a standard phone. Then over here, we've got kind of a wet bar area. It looks like we've got some bottled water for $6. There's a book of modern art up here on the top shelf. We've got some coffee here with a couple of different K-cups, and looks like actually some tea K-cups. I don't think I've ever seen a tea K-cup. Then in the closet, we've got, looks like an extra pillow, some hangers. We do have an iron and a safe with an extra drawer down at the bottom. Let's see what's underneath here. In there we do have a mini fridge, so it's nice to have access to all of that close to the bed. And then we'll go over here and check out the bathroom. So it's going to be a single sink in here. We do have some power outlets on the side, tissues, cups. Looks like there is going to be a cleansing bar there. Looks like we've got some body lotion and a washcloth there. Little plant, is it real? I can't tell if that's real or fake. Single commode and a standing shower without a door, but this is super modern, super fancy. Overall, I'm very impressed. By the way, let's just take a peek out the window. Look at that view. Ridiculous. Yeah, super impressed. If you were thinking about staying in Dallas, Texas, I would absolutely say that the Saint Elm Renaissance here in downtown Dallas, totally worth a shot. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe and like this video. And until next time, we'll see ya.